Welcome to ComplyRelax. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of activating your ComplyRelax E-form trial. To access MCA services in ComplyRelax, you need to connect with the MCA Client Agent. This utility must be installed and running on your computer to enable seamless access to all MCA-related services within ComplyRelax. On your dashboard, click on the MCA Agent button. Once the window opens, you'll find the Download Agent button. Select the download option according to your Windows version. If required, you can review the installation instructions available on the same page before proceeding. Now click Download Agent. A zip file will be downloaded to your system. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder, right-click on the Install Agent file, and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will appear. Wait for the installation to be completed. Once you see the message connected to Gateway, your MCA Client Agent has been installed successfully and is ready to use with ComplyRelax. On the MCA Agent window, the status should show as Connected. Now that the MCA Agent is connected, let's add your first company. From the left side menu, click on Master and select Company Master. Here, click on Add Company button. You can search the name or enter CIN directly. Once the company is added successfully, return to the dashboard. Now let's activate the e-form trial. On the dashboard, click on MCA V3 forms. Here, select any company. You will be redirected to the form window inside the company workspace. Here, you will find the Avail Free Trial button. Simply click on it and your e-form trial will be activated instantly. Your trial has been activated. You'll get 3 consecutive days of access to the e-form module, allowing you to prepare and file forms for up to 5 companies. Once your e-form trial ends, you can continue using the without e-form modules available in ComplyRelax. Once your trial is active, you're ready to start preparing forms. For example, if you want to prepare an AOC4, simply click on Annual Filing and select AOC4. With ComplyRelax's AI-powered features, you can prepare forms within minutes, saving significant time and manual effort. You'll also notice a search option at the top of the screen. Instead of navigating through multiple menus, simply search for the name of the form you need, and ComplyRelax will take you directly to the respective page. If you want to prepare a board report, go to Annual Filing from the left side menu and click on Board Report. Once the form is prepared, in order to submit the same on MCA through ComplyRelax, you'll need to add your MCA credentials. To do that, go to the dashboard, then go to Secretarial Practice. Click on MCA V2, V3 users, select the MCA version and add MCA users. Enter your MCA user ID and password, then click Validate Credentials. Once your credentials are validated successfully, you're ready to submit forms directly through ComplyRelax without logging into the MCA portal every time. Experience a smarter way to manage compliances with ComplyRelax. Start your free trial today and discover how AI can simplify your secretarial and compliance work. Thank you for watching.